Hi guys, you've probably seen already that I have left WM and I'm now basically on CHADWM, right? So I'm making it better, and I just added here the date. My wife was lost yesterday next to me. What date is it? I said, I don't know, right? So the date is there, otherwise I just typed date and a new, of course, but it's there now visually. It's the 21st of November. Topic of the video is when I update my own system. CHDWM is rebuilt. It's rebuilt on the default etc scale. So what's in there? The backup, the real thing that's always going to work. We need to do that to be able to boot into an ISO that actually works, right? But I have now already made other choices. I have my own CHDWM, the one that has key bindings. That's the only thing actually. So in the home area config arco CHDWM, you keep messing around, right? What you do is remember scale. It overrides things, and I do this one. This is mine, right? And from time to time, you just compare and say, okay, I did a scale, and what's the difference? This can be deleted. That's cool. The bar sh is the only thing that changed. We got now the day, the month, and the year. You can do it around like year, month, year, day, month, I think, or was it month, day, year, or something, right? It depends where you live. Anyway, you mix these things around, and this is now the new code. Now, each time I update, and I have package 41, I think, right? Each time it's going to be rebuilt, and each time my code is gone. Now the code is not in the CHDWM as well. It's going to be here, config h. And what I've done is looked up the codes for the tag keys. You see, ampersand. So this is the AZERTY from Belgium. There's also an AZERTY from France. That's a little bit different, I think, in the 6 and 8 or something, right? So this is, these are my key bindings. Super 1 does not exist. I have super ampersand, super accent EQ, so EAQ'd, right? All these things. So now I can't do super 1. I can't go to a different workspace. So I need to rebuild this one. Now I was thinking, either do this manually, which is okay, right? Say make, and then sudo make install. It's not much work. Super shift R, and it works. Super 1, super 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see me change up here. You see it, right? 1 and 2. So that's it. That's all you need to do. Yeah, actually, that's all you need to do. Now I was wondering if you could do more. I'm not sure if that's possible, but maybe I better stick to this video here. And I was thinking about some kind of Pacman hook. If package gets updated, then build mine again, right? Not the one from etc scale, but the one that's in my own home folder. So I'm gonna look into that. Maybe somebody has already a clue, and you can let it know under the video. But this is what you need to do if you have a different kind of idea. How should CHDWM look like? What should be, should it do? And then you change anything in here and make sure you always have a backup. I know if you do scale, there is ATT, right? There is this configuration. It makes backups, all kind of backups, but it's easier just to make a copy and then compare, right? Easily, everything is back in there. All right, that's it for now. Cheers.